Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for parking lots on the Parker application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Go to your home page and then you should use the search bar and then type in your location where you would like to go, and here you can see the available parking lots. So tap on a particular street. Here you can see the parking option, you can see the zone ID, the opening hours and the price as well. If you would like to tap on the parking button, here you can add your license plate and select what would you like to display on the map. So basically that's it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.